Hey, welcome back. Today is another episode and it's a special episode because we are in February and it's the month for Valentine's. And I have this beautiful little girl here. Hello.
Hi,
What's your name, darling?
Shadaya.
Okay, Shania. So Shania has also been someone for whom I've made a lot of wonderful cakes. I made her communion cake as well and it feels so nice to have you here, Shania, today.
Thank you.
And especially for the Valentine week.
Yeah.
Okay, and I see that you're wearing the Valentine colors as well, so it's
Yeah.
nice. So how old are you, Shania?
I am 12 years old.
Okay, and which school do you go to?
Don Bosco.
Don Bosco, alright. So today for the Valentines, we're going to make heart-shaped cookies.
Okay.
Okay, and so we'll get started with the recipe. So Shania, let's get started with making our special Valentine cookies.
Okay.
And we've got some very simple ingredients here. We've got some frozen butter, milkmaid, maida, some food coloring and some extra maida here just to roll our cookies. Okay, the measurements are given in the comments. You can check the recipe there. So let's get started. Are you ready, Shania?
Yes.
Okay, let's start by adding the butter into the bowl.
Okay.
So you know, cookies can be made in different ways, but this is the easiest way to make it and it tastes also nice. Okay, so to this you can add the maida.
Okay.
Now here is the very tricky part. Okay, Shania, you need to pay attention now.
Okay.
At this point, you keep the spatula out and you
Okay.
take the butter in between both your hands and you rub it with the flour. Yeah. Okay. Let's see you do that. Very nice. Okay, so you're just crumbling the butter and adding the maida along with it. Okay, so you make it like, it will actually look like breadcrumbs. Okay,
Yeah.
and that is how it will be. So mix the maida and the butter together.
Okay.
So every time the butter melts in your hands, take some more maida in it. Yeah, and just crush it. So Shania, what else do you like to do in your free time?
In my free time, I like to play badminton and watch different series.
Okay,
And all.
I remember sometime back we were talking about some new series you were talking about. What's that new series? Tell me all about it.
Percy Jackson.
Percy
at
Jackson.
the Olympians.
Okay.
It is a demigod kind of thing. It's about Greek gods and Greek mythology. It's very nice. I would recommend it to watch it.
Oh, nice. I will certainly look out for that. It's like a lot of storytelling and things like
Yeah,
that.
it's a
is it?
basic, yeah.
Okay, very nice. And in school, what's your favorite subject?
In school, probably civics.
Civics.
Yeah.
Oh, that's interesting. Very nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. So has Shania, anyone told you that you have a very sweet smile?
No, thank you.
Yeah, you do. It just lights up your face. It's so beautiful. Very nice. And I can see that you're thoroughly enjoying playing with that butter and maida, aren't you? Okay. So wherever you see the big chunks, take that and take a little bit of the maida and rub it hard so that you know it just kind of becomes one with the maida. Okay. Now most of it should come together. Okay.
Yeah.
And once it's done, then we are going to add the milkmaid in it.
Okay.
So you shouldn't be seeing any big chunks. If you can see
Okay.
here, there are still a
Yeah.
few big chunks, so we don't want those big chunks. Okay. So
Okay.
let me help you out a little
Okay.
bit over there. So you can keep your hands in there. So what you
Yeah.
do is you take this big one. Okay. You kind of squash it out like this, and then just
Okay.
rub the maida in along with it. Okay. So
Okay.
just do that. You can even kind of use your fingers to squash the entire butter.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. There you go.
Later.
Yeah, yeah. So you can see now most of the butter is already got into the maida. At this stage, we are going to add the
Milkmaid.
milkmaid. Once the milkmaid is added to this, you just make it like how you make the chapati ka atta, na?
Yeah.
Just blend it together. It might feel a little sticky in the beginning,
Yeah.
but as time goes by, it will just get absorbed into the maida. Okay.
Okay.
So while you do that, make sure that you put the oven to preheat. So this is another important tip. Kids, if you are baking at home, make sure you take the help of an adult. Oven should always be used in a preheated condition. You should not just directly put it to bake. The oven has to be already hot. It's only then that the product that you're putting to bake will actually get baked. Okay. So yeah. So if you can see, it's become like a little sticky. Okay.
Yeah.
You can keep using it together, bringing it together, and it will become like a dough. Just keep working on it. It will become a dough. Yeah. So now you can see the batter is ready and we have the cookie dough in our hands. So this is a mat I have. I bought this from IKEA and it's really a very nice friendly mat. So you can just put it on that.
Okay.
And you put a little bit of this
Maida.
maida. Okay. And use the rolling pin and just roll it out. Okay. No, don't put too much pressure. The cookie dough is really soft. This is not like your
Okay.
chapati kata, so it will be slightly
Hard.
tricky,
Yeah.
hard. Okay, so we will get that, and you have to kind of roll it to 2 mm or maximum 3 mm in thickness, not more than that. Okay, and make sure that you've done that. Now, because it's Valentine's and we are doing something special. Okay, so when rolling the cookie dough, you just roll it once and you leave it. Okay, that's it. Now you've done it.
Yeah.
Now you just have to cut it. Okay, leave it like this. Yeah, use this first.
Okay.
That we'll put a color and we'll do it.
Yeah.
Yes. Now we will just remove this and remove each of those hearts and keep it in this. We will put it in the oven to bake.
Okay.
Yeah, very good work. So as you saw, that's just 3 ingredients. Lift it from the side like that. So
Okay.
which is milkmaid, maida and butter.
Butter.
That's it. Yeah, nothing else. And the sweetness comes from the milkmaid. Now what we are going to do is we are going to make this in the normal cookie color. The remaining batter we are going to add a little bit of pink coloring
Okay.
and make some in pink,
Pink.
because Valentine's is all about pink
pink,
and red,
yeah.
isn't it? Well done, Shanaya. I think you have become a pro at this now. Huh? So the trick is that in case you feel that the batter is becoming sticky, just add a little more of the maida and you
Maida.
should be good. Okay?
Okay.
So now for the color, we are going to just add a little bit of color into this. So just dab your finger and add the color and then mix it all together. You can add a little more color. Yeah. Now mix it together. We'll see how the color looks, and probably if we need, we can add more. You can
Yeah.
take a little more of maida also if you want, in
Yeah.
case you feel
A
it is
little
feeling
more.
sticky. Yeah. So maybe I think you'll need a little more color because we won't get the color in the batter otherwise. We want it to look nice and pink. Another thing to remember is that once you bake any batter with the color, the heat which comes from baking, it will take away the color. So you have to make sure that you add little extra color when you are doing it. Okay. So this is it. Yeah. Okay. This batter looks ready now. So we're going to add a little bit of the maida down and roll it. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Use the rolling pin and slightly gently just roll it and keep this batter here. Yes, that's it. Enough.
Enough,
Don't make it more than this. Now what you can do is remove the smaller ones. I'm going to show you one. Okay. And what you do is just stick it on top of this. So we get like
Okay.
2 color cookies. Yeah.
Okay.
You like that?
Yeah.
Yeah. You can take it out also. Sometimes it will come along with the cutter.
Yeah.
Sometimes it might not. So we need 1, 2, 3, another 7.
7.
Yeah. Okay, well done. So these remaining batter, I'm going to show you another trick. What we'll do is, we want to make it a pink and white combination. So we are just going to put it next to each other. Kind of curl it like this. Okay. And just roll it.
Alright.
Okay. Yeah. And
Wow.
then you can,
Cut it.
see, you get half and half.
Yeah.
And different colors. Yeah. Okay. So great job. This remaining batter we can continue. The team will make it more for us and give. We've got a few of these in the heart shape. See, can you see? This is
Yeah.
really turned out nice. It's in like
Yeah.
double color.
Yeah.
One side pink and one side white.
white.
And this is half and half. Lovely patterns and designs, Shanaya. Well done. Very nice.
Thank you.
So this batter we are going to make some more cookies in a little while, but we are going to put this batch which is ready to bake now, and then we'll show you how these will look a little later. Okay, Shanaya, we put our pretty pink and white cookies to bake, our butter cookies to bake, and while they're baking, and you can smell the nice aroma, I know. So while they're baking, we are going to do a few rapid fire questions, alright? So Shanaya, you told me in your free time, what did you like to do? You like to
Play badminton. Yeah.
Okay. What else do you like to do? Do you really help your mom in the kitchen?
Yes, I do.
Okay, so what dishes do you like to make?
I like to make like mug cakes. I love that, and Maggie.
And Maggie. I think everybody likes to make Maggie. It's
Yeah.
very easy to make.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So if you had to make something special, you know, for your friends or for your mom and dad or your brother,
Yeah.
what would you like to make?
I would like to make like cupcakes. You know, like cupcakes. That's like very amazing. Yeah.
And what flavor do you want to add? What do you want to add on it?
I like 2 flavors. chocolate and vanilla the most. It's just amazing.
Okay, and what kind of icing you're going to add to it?
Icing, probably vanilla.
Vanilla icing
Vanilla.
on the chocolate cupcake.
Yeah.
Okay, very nice.
I love
So tell me,
vanilla.
Shania, did you really enjoy making those cookies today?
Yes.
And what was the most fun bit about it?
The making like the first
Crumbling the
crumbling
maida with the
yeah.
butter. You like to get your hands into it,
Yeah.
and the whole feeling is very nice and
Yeah.
warm, isn't it? It is actually. So they say baking is basically something that helps you feel happy.
Yeah.
And you know, when you put your hand into the ingredients, when you get the fragrance of
Yeah.
something baking, it just brings on. And if somebody has a
Yeah.
sweet smile like yours, I'm
Oh,
sure they're going to
thank
enjoy
you.
it more. Yeah. So very well done, Shania. Now we are going to wait to remove our cookies and taste them.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, Shania, our cookies are ready. Okay,
Yeah.
and it's time to taste. So go ahead, try a cookie and tell me how did you like it? How is it?
It's good.
It's nice? Is it very sweet or
No, it's perfect.
is it crunchy?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. So the color has come out really nice
Yeah.
and you've done a very good job with it. So let's do a high five on that. Tell me, Shania, how would you rate this cookie that you've made out of 10?
10.
10. Well done. Thank you once again for coming,
Yeah.
and I thoroughly enjoyed. I hope you make this recipe once you go back
Yes,
home.
yes,
All right.
definitely.
So to all our subscribers, this is a Valentine's special that we've done with Shania, the sweetest smile that I've seen on earth. And we've had so much fun making these cookies. So if you like them, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to our Choco Kids Little Chef.